I beg my people now, good evening and welcome on Sunday Night Show for today. Finally, some of them don't complain. I say, why would they show repeat this? Why would they show? Will you kill ourselves?
I don't know. Until somebody collapse.
Until somebody fall down here and die.
Before you come, they call us Karishika fall and die.
My sister will has to rest.
Yes.
Before you come and somebody will not come and go and die.
Bam.
Lawyer has to rest.
Yes.
Pastor has to rest.
Yes.
Katim has to rest.
Yes.
We has to.
Yes.
Easy to Jericho has to.
Yes.
We can't come and go and kill ourselves.
You think it's beans? I
It's
don't know,
not.
dear. What is that?
What is it?
So we take a trip. 3 of
So
us.
we went to Holland.
Yes. If he pay you there.
Mona no vessel. Na play. Now, you get one today na Monday. Ministry Monday. Our lawyer Adetola Kasim there around. But before him come conclude the thing we talk before.
We even remember what in the talk around before.
My brother, I
don't
never
leave.
remember.
If
If you remember, we not remember what we talk last time. If you remember, If you don't remember, anywhere we carry on go.
Yes.
Meanwhile, one pastor will be gay pastor.
He said he get some kind of revelation.
No be that one we go heaven. No, we snap.
No.
He get one we go heaven. He snap. I don't know which kind of phone they carry go snap for heaven.
You go heaven.
He saying go heaven. He saying go. He said somebody leak the picture.
No, be no, Nedu. Oh, I think say, you know, say another. Hey, pastors nowadays, I mean the youngest, you know, because
this one where they talk na Jide Macaulay. Wait to say see the man face. Now gay pastor.
now the one where say David and
thank you.
Now
He said David for Bible say na gay.
Hey.
He said David na I don't let they do. He said David na gay.
And then Ruth. You remember the story of
Ruth for Bible.
and Moab and Naomi.
He said Ruth na lesbian. It's just your camp people when we say from heaven God will just stone them.
Wait, so now heaven didn't come make this discovery.
No, how you go. I don't know which kind of revelation he get.
I bet me will see that in picture again.
I bet we'll see this man
If this
picture
man
again.
saying be you are pastor, be very careful.
You don't see one member when they for back where we
This one be like fashion model now.
Now for Lagos the church though, now gay church. Now gay church. And the wonder for the church, how they go take, how the pastor go take they do for inside church. Maybe the pastor, Katim. Yeah, it's me. Okay, maybe now you be usher now. Come on the picture. So now you be usher now. Say, welcome the man of God. Reverend Jide Macaulay. Make I act Jide Macaulay. Okay.
Good morning, church. Good morning, church.
Good morning.
We are so happy to have you here, and we thank God in our praise and worship session right now. Please put your hands together as we welcome our pastor for today, who is bringing us the word, Pastor Jide Macaulay. Put your hands together. Remember, go say, like person like a day, pastor, give it to me. And you get congregation.
No
be one, no be two.
There.
No be 10 people, no be 20.
People
You get
full
congregation. So, I don't know.
I wonder how they go take the first timer. Maybe person won't come give announcement. Praise praise the Lord. Now, if you know that
this is the first time.
Oh my God, like this is so hard. Oh my God. Like if you know this is your first time of coming to this church, please can you just shout wherever you are? Can you now get up? You go see plenty people go stand up.
Yes.
Oh, you in pink suit. Oh, you're welcome. You in turquoise blue shoe. You're welcome.
No, but what thing people they find for, I don't know, maybe a different church for different people. People, when you get family, you get your wife, you get your husband, you get your 2, 3 children, you can't go this kind of church. I don't want to call the name of in church before all of us storm go there.
Now Lagos in the church today.
Mona find them. Google
Mona find go the church.
Yes.
My brother, if I go that church.
No, maybe one day. We feel all drive past.
We fit just go. Is it bit? You know, say the way you get Jerry coin now, they go say, oh, maybe easy bit you enter, you get somebody, one of the members will say.
No, which member? The man member or the woman member? The
Man member. They say easy.
No.
Can you be my Lion King?
The man member will say, excuse me, do you have your Bible? I can share with you. I really don't mind.
Then easy bit go reply back.
God, they can't fall off now.
Anyway, from that one, we'll not get that before Oga Adedola Kazeem. Now, Katim, beggar, now.
They find, in fact, no, Edibante is like you go to the bank and you count your money is not enough. You give it back to the teller and say, no, my money is not enough. That's the modus operandus. Beggar now, they do. You can tell beggar now, please, I'm looking for 10,000 naira change. It will give you. Nowadays.
One female beggar, woman beggar, they give her money.
Yes.
So what's this? I never give you the gist of woman beggar. See, they give her money, she give her back, say, what kind of money are you giving to me like this? Come on, take back this money. I never tell you for inside bus that time. Why I just call Lagos after why I enter bus for CMS. As one beggar just come near window, say, bros, use your mind. Give me money. Yeah?
Use your mind.
Say, use your mind. Give me money.
How much you can't give her?
Me? Give her money.
Why now?
Come on,
you don't say sometimes. You get who go. You go
he
give.
Get some kind beggar what
You
they
go
give.
give money. You go just disappear with the money when you give them.
The one where I know that when you say you go see money for ground that time for Kaduna,
You go disappear.
see money for ground. You go pick them. I know. I hear one girl where they say the girl. The girl pick money, can't change the yam. Say they can't carry knife, can't cut the yam. Now blood can't they come out for the yam.
So they cut them. So cutting the yam now they cut the girl.
Now the ear can't cut come out. Now I'm not saying I'm na gist. So before that time now, if you see money for ground, you go piece put, or you go pack sand, pour am.
Before you take them.
You come piece on top. Before you can't carry the money,
So-
come go wash and spend them.
The yam and the knife now. In the matter of Linda and Whiskey, who be the yam? Who be the
Hey,
knife?
wait. Una no say I say Wizkid. Una no say Wizkid and Linda Ikeji they fight.
Maybe they go marry themselves very soon. Because
Wizkid.
there's love in hate and there's hate in
Wizkid.
love.
When Wizkid don't call Linda Ikeji, say Linda Ikeji son. Wizkid say somewhere for Linda Ikeji body. Say they smell.
Hey!
Say that place. I'm not gonna talk the place.
No.
Use your mind and know the place.
Yes.
Say the place. Yeah, Owa. You know where Owa?
Say the place on top Twitter.
Send us. If you don't on top our Twitter at WNet Show.
Yes.
Where you think say whiskey say they smell on top our Twitter
No,
now.
we talk about.
Now we talk about.
You know, we just got back.
Do you know what I mean?
So now what did we hear?
Do you know what I mean?
We can say, oh wow, maybe
we have to share this.
This
and now, Linda contact say,
Get out of here.
Get out of here.
Yes.
You don't know what you're
Who
talking
are you?
Say the house where whiskey they live for like. You know, say they give quick notice, make a pack more for the house.
They just say that Whiskey.
Now whiskey now.
Yeah, man.
Now whiskey. Whiskey is supposed to pay the rent for January.
Hey.
He not call the new rent. According to Linda, say landlord, can't call whiskey. You're wheezy. Yeah. Oh, no. Pack out
here.
Pack out of the house. No, he call Wheezy. Yo, Wheezy. Wheezy say, Yaga. Okay, now you be landlord now. Call me.
Yo, Wiz.
Yaga. Who is this?
It's landlord.
Yeah. Oh, no. What do you want?
Oh, no. Yeah. You're part of my house. You are owing me how many months rent? And we don't have future in this conversation.
Landlord, you don't know me. No, they know my story.
When you pack you alone and go to Elegba now.
But now, on top of Instagram,
they follow their
they couldn't fight themselves. Whiskey, consent different picture. You get one time willing the KG be like one like this. All different.
I don't know where you come. That's why.
Hey! I don't remember something now. Hey! Whiskey talk say, in manager. Say here, man.
Nothing person. No, you know, say we just got back.
We just got back. You know what I mean?
All this story, you know, we just want to intimate you.
Whiskey say in manager.
You know, Isibit is quite shocked.
Isibit is shocked.
Now all of us just hear it at the same time. In manager.
He say in manager. Carry Linda go
somewhere.
He go minister to them, preach to them, say give your life. Give your life.
Use your mind.
Use your mind and give your life. He said, Linda now come give the life. Now dear, Whiskey come here and say
That's why we ask you today. Who be the yam? Who be the knife?
Now
on top of Twitter.
Davido don't join.
Let us know.
Yeah. You don't know what you're talking about. Davido contact say anybody that something that mess with Whiskey, mess with us.
Yeah, me. So, how do you want the cartel?
Cartel now!
My God, Police Academy!
Police Academy!
Hey!
So, I don't know who Linda KG want to go meet now.
I don't know. So, you can tell a guess. Wait, what kind of?
Blackface.
Blackface. No, you know say blackface. You know say people know they answer blackface. Blackface not say Whiskey thief in song. Whiskey not answer them. So he not be person where they answer. The person now. No, now. You cannot talk say Two-Face.
If Linda can join match or join force with blackface, she's in for a downfall.
She's in for a downfall.
Economic downturn.
And I know what will happen on top of Twister.
Yes.
Send us. Now who you think say? If Linda KG join for do Voltron,
they go become Voltron.
Then go become full power.
Then Whiskey then go become Super Ted.
As Whiskey now don't join with Davido. Who you think so? Anyway, we go back to my chicken break when you come back. Oga, I didn't like to see you. Go down sit down for chair. Are you with me?
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.